Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Let's learn about lists in Python in only 1 minute. A list stores multiple values in one variable. You create it with square brackets. For example, here my list name is fruits and it has 3 elements: apple, banana, and cherry. Then you can access the items by index. Okay, for example, if we want to access the first element, we need to write down the print function and then the name of the list, and inside the square brackets I'm typing down the index of the first element, because we need to remember that indexing starts at 0 here. So index 0 is apple, index 1 is banana, and index 2 is cherry. So I want to access the first element, which is apple, so I put the index 1. And then if I want to add one new item to my list, simply I write down the name of the list, then the append function, then the name of the element that I would like to be appended. So after that, when I print the fruits list completely, we see that mango is there, it is added. Thank you for watching.